This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Spencer Christensen. This beautiful and well cared for two-story home in a sought-after neighborhood sits near the entrance to the Hattie's Place subdivision. Newly landscaped with recent lawn renovation, new shutters, new light fixtures, and new paint in the kitchen, living room, master bedroom, and the large third bedroom. Closets in the third bedroom are so spacious they are perfect for a small work-from-home office space. Lots of storage throughout the home. The back patio is spacious and the fenced yard is large. The refrigerator is included with the home. The neighborhood HOA fee is yearly and affordable at $160. For more information, review the details below or contact Spencer Christensen at 865-693-1111.